If you have ever thought about starting an online store but did not know where to begin, perhaps feeling overwhelmed by all the tech jargon or scared off by stories of fierce competition, this video will walk you through the exact high level steps in a clear, straightforward way, without any hype, unrealistic promises, or unnecessary tech overwhelm. Just a realistic roadmap for beginners in 2026. Despite the fierce competition that has grown since the post 2018 dropshipping boom, e commerce is still thriving strongly in 2026, with global sales projected to continue growing, offering incredible opportunities for beginners who are willing to put in consistent effort and follow a proven process rather than chasing quick riches. The entry barriers are lower than ever before, with startup costs for dropshipping models now just around $100 to $200, a massive drop from the $20,000 needed for inventory a decade ago, making it accessible for anyone with a laptop and Wi-Fi to start a location-independent remote business. Powerful AI tools like ChatGPT for generating compelling product copy and Creatify AI for creating stunning visuals now simplify content creation and design tasks dramatically, while social commerce platforms such as TikTok Shop, Instagram Checkout, and YouTube Shopping are driving a surge in impulse buys directly from feeds. Niche brands focused on specific audiences are exploding in popularity right now, proving that success comes from niching down to solve unique problems or passions for a targeted group, rather than trying to create a general store that appeals to everyone and ends up competing with giants. Starting your own online store involves several key high-level phases that build on each other, beginning with the crucial first step of finding your unique niche and validating a winning product idea that has real demand. To find a great niche, consider solving a specific pain point like a back posture corrector designed for remote workers who spend hours at desks, or cater to a passion such as eco-friendly hiking gear tailored for dog owners who love outdoor adventures together. Once you have ideas, validate them quickly using free tools like Google Trends to spot rising search interest, Amazon bestsellers, and negative reviews to gauge demand and gaps, or by checking TikTok for products with high video views indicating strong consumer hunger. Next, select a business model that matches your risk tolerance and skills, such as dropshipping for low upfront risk and no inventory since suppliers handle shipping, or print-on-demand services like Printful or Printify for custom designs on t-shirts and mugs with zero storage needs. With your model chosen, it is time to build your store using a reliable platform like Shopify, which remains the industry leader in 2026 for its top-tier security, blazing speed, thousands of apps, and free trial to get you started easily. As you set up, remember to secure a short, memorable .com domain name, perhaps adding words like shop or co, and create essential trust-building pages, including About Us to share your story, Contact for easy communication, and detailed shipping and returns policies. You can consider Hostinger for this. When adding products to your store, focus on thumb-stopping, high-quality photos taken in natural light with lifestyle shots for scale, and craft compelling descriptions that hook with the problem. Explain your solution, list key features in bullets, and include social proof like testimonials. Do not overlook the critical legal and financial foundations, such as registering your business as a US LLC or UK sole trader, setting up sales tax collection, which Shopify automates, integrating payments via Stripe or PayPal, and opening a separate business bank account to stay organized. Finally, drive traffic and secure your first sale by focusing on marketing, starting with organic strategies like short TikTok or Reels videos showing behind the scenes or product demos, or low-budget paid ads on Meta platforms targeting your niche audience precisely. To scale efficiently, Leverage AI tools like chatbots such as Tidio for 24/7 customer service, or ChatGPT to generate endless marketing copy, product descriptions, and even video scripts with tools like CapCut or InVideo. Many beginners fall into the common trap of analysis paralysis, wasting weeks or even months obsessing over minor details like perfecting fonts or designs instead of launching a minimum viable store and iterating based on real customer feedback. Another frequent mistake is quitting too early after initial setbacks, like spending $50 on ads with zero sales, rather than calmly analyzing the data, tweaking your targeting or offers, and persisting with the process. And always make sure to thoroughly test your entire store on mobile devices like iPhones and tablets, since the vast majority of e commerce traffic in 2026 comes from smartphones, ensuring a seamless experience for most shoppers. If you want the easiest, most beginner friendly way to set up your first online store without technical headaches, I have linked the platform I recommend, like Shopify with its free trial, right below in the video. And if you are ready for the full, detailed, step by step guide with all the templates, checklists, and specifics, just check out the comprehensive article I have linked in the description below. This video was made using HeyGen for professional production. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more realistic e-commerce guides. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.